I thought I'd just show off this board game that I recently picked up. Didn't even know it existed, and it looks to be super rare. From what I can see, it was made back in 1999. What I'll do is we'll open it up and we'll check it out and see what it comes with. So standard with every board game, they have a board. And this one has a collection of pieces. So I did look at this before and it is missing 2 pieces. One of those pieces are one of the hats. So this should come with 4 hats, but this only has 3. That's what they look like. So these are your tokens or your playing pieces. Unfortunately, as I said, this is missing one of them. And in this collection here, it is missing one of these pieces, but the red type. So they're quite easy to find, luckily. It's not too much of an issue. Also has the dice. Now what I'll go through here is the playing cards. This actually does have all the playing cards with it. Skip ahead if you don't want to see these ones, but if you already have one of these or you're just about to pick one up, this might show you what you might be missing or what they come with because of their age. It's likely missing a lot of parts. So this first one here is set 4, the helicopter. This is also part of set 4. This one is the small boat. You're welcome to pause on any of these if you want to look at them further. This one is set 4, big boat. Unfortunately, this one didn't come with instructions, so I don't exactly know how to play, but I did find a set online. I might have a read of them later. This one is set 2, the robot. From what it looks like, you're supposed to go around the board and collect pieces and put together a particular item, so maybe it's whoever gets it done first is the winner. So this one is set 2, the car. Set 2, boat. Set 3, aeroplane. So there's supposed to be 20 of these. This one is set 5, another robot. Looks to be a different design than the last robot. Now we have set 1, the car. This one here is set 3, it's another boat. Seems to be a fairly common theme that there's boats. We're looking at set 5, another car. Now luckily these pieces that come in here, the wheels, they're rubber wheels, so they're a lot more collectible. This one here is set 2, a sled. It's like a snowmobile looking thing. This one's set 1, helicopter. We have, let's see, set 4, another robot. So far the robots seem to be the most popular. Oh, and then we've got another boat, so boats are also just as popular. This is set 3, flying boat. So possibly like a hovercraft, but this one has a helicopter part on top. Now looking at set 3, guess what it is? It is a robot. Lego love their robot themed things, it seems. Set 4, another flying boat. We're up to set 1. Oh, look at that, it's a robot. They look pretty cool though. Definitely seems like a fun game. Set 1, submarine. Something tells me I won't see many submarines in this collection, but I might see another boat. Let's see, what do we have here? Here we go, here's the hovercraft. Set 5, hovercraft. Cool, so that's all the cards. Let's have a look at the board and see how that's laid out and try and work out what you actually do in the game. So we have the start just over here. Go to any space if you're the helicopter. So maybe there's themes for different characters or different things that you build. So the next one is pick one yellow brick. So I guess you're just picking from the yellow bricks that are on the standard side, because there is a special side, and there is, special pieces, and then there's the brick yard, they call it. Then you go to pick one brick. There's pick a special brick, pick a red brick, pick one brick, so that must mean you can choose anything. I guess if you're building a certain thing, you'd want to pick the ones that are most suited to what you're designing. Pick two bricks. This one is go to any space, so that must help you out if you're looking for a particular brick that you need to build with. Then we got pick a blue brick, pick one special piece, take one brick from another player. So if they've taken a brick that you might want, that's where that one will come in handy. Pick one brick, pick one yellow brick. That one's got a bit of, there we go, just a little bit of dirt there. That's all clean though. Go to any space, pick a green brick, pick one brick, pick one special piece, pick two bricks, pick one red brick, pick one brick. This is take two from another player, so that seems like it would be a good one. They've taken too many of your pieces. Pick one brick, pick one white brick, pick one special piece, take one brick from another player, pick one brick, and pick one blue brick, and then you're back at the start. So as you can see in the center, there's some special ones. They must be the rare and collectible ones that are needed to build the machines to make them perfect. But otherwise, you got your standard ones all on the outside there. Yes, that's all the bricks. As I said, it's missing one, which is actually this one here. So one of those, and one of the hats. I don't have a clue what hat color it is, unfortunately. So that's showing off that. As you can see, the box isn't in fantastic condition. Damage on the corner. Damage along the sides. That corner's really bad as well. I guess at the end of the day, this item is over 25 years old, or around 25 years old at time of filming, in 2024. Yep, it's not great in some spots. If we look at the back, yeah, similar situation. Pretty average condition in some spots. Worn there. But for 25 years old and to be a rare collectible, it definitely seems like a good find. It says you can build 20 cool Lego vehicles and robots in this race to build it board game. Each player chooses a Lego model card to follow during the game. Moving around the board, players collect Lego bricks and special pieces to complete their models. Be the first to finish your vehicle or robot and you win the game. Here we go. It does show what's supposed to come with it. So I've got -1 Lego brick. We've got the game board. We've got the special pieces. We've only got 4 of the Lego caps. 20 model cards. Yep, we got those. And 1 6-sided die. So yep, we've got all those pieces -2, which is the special bricks and the 6-sided die. And it's from 2 to 4 players. Or someone will have to use a special piece in this one because we're missing one. And players 7 and up. I guess it's so children don't eat the pieces if they're younger than that. You'd think only under 3 would be the issue, but otherwise that's the Lego kit there. I thought I'd show it off, and if you've already got one of these, maybe leave a comment and tell us how complete yours is. Or if you want one of these, as I said, they're going to be hard to find. So hope you enjoyed this video today, and thanks for watching.